Hello everyone and welcome to How to Flog Your Excitement. Looks like we have to flog his monkey. He has a bat. What's he gonna do with that bat? Is he going to...
Wait a minute. He's crushing us. Why is he bashing peanuts? He's using the wrong end of the bat. There you go, monkey. Fix it. Good. Bash. Bad monkey. No, good monkey. Eat it. Beat those peanuts. Rah! Go monkey, go monkey. No, hit it harder. That's what she said. Go monkey, go. Go monkey. Good. Hey, catch those. Yes, good. Okay, butter would make sense to add butter. Butter is peanut butter. What can flog your monkey ending excitement? Haha, someone farted. Anyway, back to the monkey. The monkey looks like, oh, and look at that. He decided to catch the peanuts and the butter, so he caught the peanut butter. And he's now going to mix it, mash it. Good monkey. Good monkey. Yes, yes. Hit it. Okay, we will now move on to our next step of how to make extreme peanut butter with peanut and jelly. So it looks like, I don't know what this guy's wearing, but he's wearing something. He can't really see. Yeah, I still don't know what he's wearing. Are those jumper cables on him? Oh, he's wearing jumper cables. So, he's blind wearing jumper cables, some fur of some kind. Looks like he's grabbing some flour. Looks like he's going to make some flour. Maybe, yep, there's the flour. Yep, he's grabbing the flour. And he's eating the flour. Good. In the bowl. In the bowl. Mix it in the bowl. Good. Yes. Oh no, you missed the bowl. You just missed the bowl. That was terrible. Okay, so we have to throw that dish. Good work. Alright, so we have the flour. Let's add some water now. If we have flour and water, it looks like we're making some type of bread. So he's adding the bread. Adding the bread. Good, good. Add water. Water plus flour. You again missed with the water. Way to go with cables and fur. Good work. Okay, so we made the bread. Now we're back onto, looks like we're going to make, looks like we have some watermelon. We have some watermelon. We have some yogurt. We have banana. Ah, yes. Good work. So banana, jelly, one sort of concoction. I guess we have all of our mixing things together. So here are two crazy guys.
Guys, well, that concludes our show for today.
Okay, that's done. I think I was laughing in the other.
Yep.
Zoom in on her face.